If you manage to get over the low-cost airline and package holiday ambience, I have to admit Gatwick is still one of my favorite airports. Not because of the distance to drive between home and the airport, but because of the British Airways first class lounge, far much better than the similar one in Heathrow, both from the soft and the hard product point of view. Service impeccable, the menu very nice, the drinks offer very generous, and you don't have that feeling that you stop by mistake in an Indian takeaway. I do love British Airways first class lounge.
flight to Madrid, I choose Iberia Express. Once because it's flying out of Gatwick to Madrid, and second because I have to admit that their product in business class is better than a similar product with British Airways on a short flight, the same destination, London, Madrid. We are almost over Madrid, and I think it's time for lunch.
Quite nice to spend one night in Madrid, especially that the weather is absolutely amazing here. It's nice, was sunny in the afternoon and very warm. So time for some shopping. Finally I can cook a typical home-cooked Spanish dinner, and of course, later go to a bar and have a glass, 2, 3 of vermouth. No more than 3, because tomorrow I have to wake up quite early. Tomorrow we are flying to Barcelona. Ready?